Hey friends, welcome to my new video, and today in this video I will teach you how to draw a dog. A dog is a cute drawing. Okay, you can draw the nose like this. Whoa. And another line here. A circle and coloring. Next step, you draw the eyes. Like this and like this. The mouth. Whoa. Now you draw a line here. Whoa. Next step, you can draw a line here. Like this. And color inside. Next step, you draw this line. Whoa. And draw a line here. And you can draw the ear. Big ear. Like this. And coloring. Next step, you draw this line and this and draw this. Whoa, so cute dog. Next step, you draw this line. And this line and connect. Whoa. Good job, friend. Make a curved line here. Like this. Whoa. And draw this. Nice. You draw like this and these circles. Whoa. Nice drawing. Whoa. Draw the circle and nice. Draw a line here and now you can draw this line and make a curved line up. Whoa. Next step, you draw the water down. Whoa, good job, friend. Next step, you draw a make curved line here. Whoa. Whoa, so nice. So cute drawing. And I hope you like this video and this drawing. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. This channel have reviews every single day. So I hope you enjoy my videos, watching all my videos, and see you the next video. Bye friends! Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye!